stop scrolling. If you've ever stood in your garage holding the wrong tool for the job, swearing at a hinge that won't sit flush, or crawling on your hands and knees chasing a screw that vanished into the void, this list is for you. So, let's get into it. Trying to get that perfect flame with a tiny lighter? Yeah, that's not happening. When you need serious heat, this 24-inch CSA Propane Torch brings the power. With temperatures reaching up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle demanding jobs around the workshop, campsite, or backyard. The adjustable flame lets you control the heat instead of fighting with it. Its long handle keeps your hands farther from the heat while giving you better control. Whether you're tackling outdoor projects, heating materials, or firing up a BBQ, this torch is ready to work. Carrying your tools around in your pockets? Congratulations, you've invented the world's worst toolbox. The OX Construction Tool Belt gives you a much smarter way to keep everything within reach. Its durable leather construction is built for demanding jobs, while multiple pouches keep your essential tools organized. No more walking back to the toolbox every 30 seconds just because you forgot one screwdriver. The design keeps frequently used tools right where you need them. Whether you're framing, installing, repairing, or building, everything stays accessible. Painting an entire project with a brush? Your arm just filed a complaint. This 1200-watt HVLP paint sprayer makes large painting jobs dramatically faster and easier. Instead of spending hours creating brush marks, you can apply a more consistent spray across your project. The cordless design gives you freedom to move around without constantly dragging a power cord behind you. It's useful for furniture, walls, DIY projects, and other painting jobs where speed matters. The HVLP system is designed to provide controlled coverage while reducing unnecessary overspray. Trying to apply edge banding with an ordinary iron? Your woodworking project deserves better than laundry equipment. This digital edge banding iron gives you precise temperature control through its LCD screen. The adjustable heat settings make it easier to work with different veneer and edge banding materials. Its extra long 8.2-foot cord gives you plenty of room to move around your workspace. The compact design is easy to handle while working along edges and corners. It's useful for woodworking, crafts, veneer projects, and even hobby work. Making pocket holes by hand and hoping everything lines up? That's a great way to make your project interesting. The BORA automatic pocket hole jig takes much of the guesswork out of pocket hole joinery. Its guided design helps you position and drill consistent pocket holes quickly. The kit includes screws and the necessary drilling guide to get started. It's especially useful for building cabinets, furniture, frames, and other woodworking projects. Repeatable positioning means you can create strong joints without constantly measuring everything from scratch. Sweeping leaves one by one? You could, or you could let technology do the complaining for you. This cordless electric leaf blower comes with 2 batteries and a charger, giving you plenty of freedom around the yard. With 2 speed modes, you can adjust the airflow depending on whether you're moving light leaves or heavier debris. The lightweight design makes it easier to carry around patios, driveways, garages, and lawns. No extension cord means you aren't dragging a cable across the yard every few minutes. Ever drilled a perfect hole only to have the screw sitting there looking completely wrong? That's where this Countersink Drill Bit Set comes in. With multiple bits and adjustable depth stop components, it helps create cleaner, recessed holes for screws. The tapered TCT alloy construction is designed for woodworking materials like plywood and MDF. The Countersink design lets screws sit more neatly below the surface instead of sticking out. It's especially useful for furniture, cabinetry, DIY projects, and finishing work. The included wrench makes adjusting the depth stop simple. Installing a door lock without a template is basically asking your drill to make a decision for you. This door lock installation kit gives you a dedicated template to help position the hardware more accurately. It's designed for common wooden door thicknesses from 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches. The guided setup makes drilling the necessary holes much more straightforward. Instead of measuring everything repeatedly and hoping the latch lines up, you get a more controlled installation process. It's useful for homeowners, DIYers, and anyone replacing or installing door hardware. Installing cabinet or door hinges by eyeballing the measurements? That's how tiny mistakes become very noticeable doors. The Trend Professional Hinge Jig Kit is designed to make hinge recessing more accurate and repeatable. Its template guide helps position hinges consistently across doors and frames. The included long-reach router bit works with the jig to create clean recesses. This is especially useful for woodworking, door installation, and cabinet projects. Instead of measuring every hinge location from scratch, you can work from a repeatable setup. Still holding a bubble level against the wall and squinting at it? Welcome to the future. This 16-line green laser level provides 4 times 360-degree coverage for precise leveling and alignment. The bright green laser lines are easy to see while working across walls, ceilings, floors, and other surfaces. Self-leveling helps keep the lines accurate, while Bluetooth app control adds convenient remote operation. It also includes pulse mode for use with a receiver and a liftable stand for flexible positioning. Trying to move heavy glass while praying your grip doesn't give up? Let's not make that a hobby. This Taskstar electric suction cup is designed to provide strong holding power for large, smooth surfaces. With a claimed 550-pound capacity, it can help make handling glass and similar materials more manageable. The suction system provides a secure grip while reducing the need to rely entirely on your hands. It's useful for glass installation, tile work, and other projects involving smooth surfaces. Cutting and grinding metal with an underpowered tool? That's not a project, that's a patience test. The TEENO cordless angle grinder delivers up to 19,500 RPM for demanding cutting and grinding applications. It comes with 2 rechargeable 16.8-volt batteries and 6 cutting discs, so you can spend more time working and less time searching for accessories. Its compact 3-inch design is easier to maneuver in tighter areas. It's useful for metal cutting, grinding, DIY fabrication, and workshop projects. Dropped a tiny screw somewhere impossible to reach? Of course you did. They always land in the worst possible place. This 2-piece telescoping magnetic pickup tool set makes retrieving small metal objects much easier. With up to 40 pounds of magnetic pull force, it can grab compatible metal items from hard-to-reach areas. The telescoping shafts extend up to 30 inches, giving you extra reach without crawling underneath everything. They're useful around garages, workshops, vehicles, and home repairs. The compact design also makes them easy to keep in a toolbox or drawer. Drop your favorite in the comments, and if this list gave you at least one tool worth checking out, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tools, gadgets, and workshop upgrades. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.